Question 4a. State the criteria used to discern the gift of the Holy Spirit. So the one who's under the influence of the Holy Spirit has to bear fruits, has to bear the fruit of the Spirit. So you have to have the fruits of the Holy Spirit. So if you're under the influence of the Holy Spirit, you have to bear fruits. So here I was only checking the bearing of the fruit. Also, the manifestation of the Holy Spirit should conform to the teachings of the Bible. Should conform to the teachings of the Bible. Also, genuine gifts of the Holy Spirit must be operated by people who are faithful to the authority of Jesus. So if you are manifesting the gifts of the Holy Spirit, you as a person should be faithful to the authority of Jesus. So that means the gifts of the Holy Spirit are operated by people who are faithful to the authority of Jesus. Also, if you are under the influence, you should accept Jesus as Lord. You should accept Jesus as Lord. Those who are not under the influence of the Holy Spirit are characterized by envy, idolatry, and impunity. If you are not under the Holy Spirit, that means you have the characteristics of envy, idolatry, and impunity. As earlier we had said that the Holy Spirit should conform. Those who are manifestation of the Holy Spirit should conform to the teachings of the Bible. They should also be in context with the biblical myths. Some of the biblical myths that we have. Question 4b, can you read 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 to 10 about the teachings of Peter concerning the people of God? And this question, we had earlier talked about it in another exam, so I didn't know how you did not perform well in it. The people of God are a holy nation. They are the chosen ones, or you can say the chosen people. They belong to God. They worship God. They were once not people of God, or you can just say they were once outside the covenant. They were once not people of God. Also, the people of God are a loyal priesthood. A loyal priesthood. Also, and lastly, they've received God's grace.